Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tamara. So today I'm going to be doing a Disney unboxing. As you can see, I got some Disney Doorables because I'm obsessed with them. I have these little these Mickey Mouse shaped balls that are supposed to have some figures in them, and then some little Squishies. So I'm going to start with the Doorables. I just got 2 of these little packs right here. And you can get 2 or 3 in them. And if you didn't see, I already opened some of the multi-peak packs. If you didn't see that, I'll leave a link for that at the end of this video. So, I didn't quite open that the right way, but that's okay. When you get these little mini packs, they don't come with blind bags. So you automatically see who you have. And there was a little stand that just fell out, but I don't see it. So I got Wardrobe from Beauty and the Beast, and the ultra rare Jiminy Cricket. So here is the checklist if you didn't see this before. I'm just going to go pretty quick. You can see all the different characters that you can get. I think there's something like 90 different characters to collect. Now the Winnie the Pooh ones you can only get in the multi-peak packs, and those are like fuzzy. Oops, I just hit the camera. Alright, next one. Oh no, sorry, there's 78 to collect. Oop. I'm hitting the camera again. My stuff's going flying. Okay. And see, now I opened this one the right way and they're facing backwards. So this is the clear stand I was talking about. I had another one. Dropped it somewhere. So in this one, we got Maximus. Very cute. And we got Belle. Very cute. Now the stands are for no one in particular. They all stand pretty well, but you can see they have little holes on the bottom of them. You can stick them in the stand. Oops. So there's those guys. Next, I think I will do these Squishies. So these are, it's the Mickey Mouse 90 anniversary, so there's a bunch of Mickey stuff coming out, but these are series 1, and these are the Mash'ems Marshmallows. So there's 4, oh there's no picture, there's 4 of them that you can get from Mickey, and then I think there's a mini series as well. Let's see, that does not tell you anything. Ooh. So here we have, I'm not exactly sure which one this would be, if this is like the marching band or like a train conductor one. These are very cute. They're smaller and adorable. So there's that Mickey. And let's go ahead and see which one I get in this one. If I can get this one open. There we go. And we got regular Mickey. Very cute. Now I don't remember which 4 there are to get because there's no picture and I just don't remember. So alright, last thing is going to be these little Mickey shaped balls. On the back here you can see which ones there are. There's a rare gold one. I'm looking for the Sorcerer's Apprentice Mickey because that's my favorite one. And there's supposed to be 2 figures in each one of these. So let's see. I don't know if there's a tear strip anywhere. I don't think so. Or I'm just too impatient to find it. I think these balls are really cute because they look like Mickey. Uh-oh. I didn't get very far with that. Oh, I didn't want to cut the ball, but I did a little bit. I did 2 layers of plastic on me here. Okay, so we open it up. Oh, they're not blind bags. It comes with this little paper. Oh, it is a checklist. Okay. So there's the checklist, and tells you their names. And let's see, we got this guy here, which I think is Comic Mickey. Let me look. Yep, Comic Mickey. I don't know how well he stands. Stands like that. Okay. And this one looks like a more modern, regular Mickey. So let's see what his name is, if I can get him out. This is just Mickey Mouse right here. Right. Oops, I knocked over wardrobe. Okay, and let me open up this last one here, if I can. I got the smallest sliver of plastic there. Let's see. Ow. I know this is very exciting for you guys, watching me struggle with the plastic. Can I please get it? Okay. There we go. Got it to slide off. Open them up. Oh no. No! I didn't see very many of these. I only got 2 of them. And I got a complete duplicate. Well, that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, please subscribe to the channel. And leave a comment down below letting me know what you'd like to see me open in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!